I'm Charlie Webster, and I'm the president and general manager of Synrad, a company owned by Novanta. Synrad is a world leader in CO2 laser technology. Photonics is really the science and the industry of the emission and the delivery of photons of light. When Synrad launched its 10 and then 30-watt lasers, we became rapidly deployed onto some of the largest manufacturing lines in the world that are used to put traceability marks and date stamps on food and beverage products. Synrad is very proud to partner with Lake Washington Tech. You know, I think every business needs to understand that it's a part of the local community, and that's an obligation to contribute, but it's also an opportunity to extract and build value. So I think Lake Washington Tech is that opportunity for us to give back and connect and share, but also to cultivate perhaps the next layer of talent that helps take us forward. I think we're excited about Lake Washington Tech because it's a very applied institution where people see the value add of the lasers in industrial processes today.
I want to take a moment and recognize one of our students, Timothy Franco. Tim spent 10 years in the Army. He's performed 2 tours in Iraq and 1 in Afghanistan, working in artillery. Tim has taken some of that work and transitioned it and is doing some amazing work in our electronics program, including receiving an internship at one of our partners here at Lake Washington.
My name is Tim Franco. I'm scheduled to graduate in the summer of 2018 with an electronics technician degree with a certificate in photonics. I actually did the Synrad internship through Lake Washington Tech. It does give us an insight of what they are doing as of now and what they plan on doing in the future of the industry. My internship at Synrad was a tremendous opportunity because it did open up so many windows. Gave me the opportunity to take what I've learned at Lake Washington Tech and actually put it into a practical use. I really am grateful for the internship at Synrad.
It's hard for me to overstate the amount of gratitude that we as a college have for Synrad's partnership. They have been not only contributing in a classical sense of giving us equipment, giving us laser equipment to the photonics program that we otherwise wouldn't have, but donating their time, donating their resources, inviting our students to go on tours. So what they're doing for us is making connections to students that we normally don't find in an industry partner. Yes, it's about donations. Yes, it's about all the great stuff that they do for our curriculum building and keeping it current, but it's also about making those connections to students, and that's really a very special industry partner. We often say that going through an educational path is like going through a tunnel, and one of the really hard things for students to do is to see the light at the end of that tunnel. And what Synrad does for us is it shows students the light at the end of the tunnel. So that's a unique partnership for us. We just want to thank Charlie and the entire team at Synrad for this very broad and special partnership. We are truly grateful.